Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Toyota Motor Corporation, TMC, is scheduled to showcase the new Toyota Century, to be released in the middle of 2018, at the 45th Tokyo Motor Show 2017. The new third-generation Toyota Century carries on the tradition of master craftsmanship and high-quality Monozukuri, all-encompassing manufacturing, while realizing high-demand environmental performance and a design layout that pursues passenger comfort. The interior and exterior design injects new charm into the Toyota Century in line with its heritage. Moreover, the new Century features advanced equipment and comfort amenities only suitable for a luxury limousine. Specifically, the Toyota Century is now powered by a 5.0-liter V8 hybrid system for outstanding fuel efficiency. In addition, the wheelbase has lengthened, the height difference between the scuff plate and floor has decreased, and the height of the door opening has increased, all of which are refinements improving the rear seat riding experience. The intricately glamorous and chic exterior is highlighted by traditional Japanese design elements used throughout the car, including the grille and black trim on the rear combination lamps. The interior features a raised ceiling design and exclusive fabric, while the adjustable rear seats, with massage function, are upgraded with a power leg rest for first-class comfort and a sophisticated riding experience. Increase in vehicle length, wheelbase, and tread exudes a roomy and dignified style. Ample comfort is provided to rear seat passengers through the increased space created by the expanded wheelbase. Additionally, the rear seat riding experience has been improved through the decreased height difference between the scuff plate and the floor and the increased height of the door opening.